Wooden table lamps are a perfect blend of functionality and style, adding a warm and natural touch to any space. Whether you're looking for a bedroom table lamp or a statement piece for your living room lamp, wooden lighting can easily complement both rustic and modern interiors. With the rise in popularity of eco-friendly lamp options, wooden lamp models have become a must-have choice for those who appreciate natural home decor. From sleek modern wooden lamp styles to cozy rustic table lamp designs, the options are endless. Explore wooden table lamp designs that fit minimalist settings or go bold with standout handmade wooden lamp designs. Wooden pedestal lamp shades add a unique charm and work beautifully with a variety of decors. Thinking of starting a project? Making a wooden table lamp is a fun and rewarding DIY wooden lamp activity. It allows you to personalize your space while creating something sustainable. Many wooden table lamp ideas revolve around recycled materials and encourage an eco-conscious lifestyle. Whether you prefer a natural wood lamp for its texture or a stylish wood lamp for its design, there is something for every taste. Wooden table lamp decoration can transform any boring corner into a cozy and inviting space. Discover the beauty and simplicity of a wooden table lamp. If you enjoy this type of content and want more wooden home decor inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of design enthusiasts.